because Jesus is in our hearts, yes, they may have their weapons. Yes, they may have their grenades and others. But we have Jesus in our hearts. Ito ang pwedeng care na maibigay natin. Ano man ang mangyari, where you are, may Jesus tayo. Meron tayong power from on high because the Lord Jesus is the creator of everything. All things were made by Him and through Him and for Him. At dahil siya ang creator, siya ay nasa atin, we have everything. Katulad ng kanta natin, if I have you, I have everything. Kaya kaya natin humarap. Pero kung tayo lang, hindi kaya. But Christ in us, kaya. Mga kapatid, kailangan ng talaga ng help ng mga Israelites. Kailangan ng help ng mga Hudyo. Dahil yan ang sabi ni Pablo, Romans 11. Makikita natin, verse 25 to 26.